13 things Toyota car owners should never do to your vehicle. Most common problems, tips and trick by Car Help Out. Local certified mobile mechanic auto car repair service near me. Toyota owners, if you want to avoid four-figure repair bills, this video is your playbook. I'll show you the 13 mistakes that kill Toyotas early. Real stories, simple checks habits that keep your car running for hundreds of thousands of miles. These are lessons from decades in the shop. What separates a Toyota that hits 300,000 miles from one that's always in the shop? Dealerships won't tell you this, but these simple habits make all the difference. Think of your Toyota as a self-cleaning oven with a grit budget. Reset it with fresh fluids and filters and it stays clean. Push intervals and grit builds up where you can't see until something fails. Every mile, tiny metal particles and combustion byproducts form. Oil and filters trap them, unless you stretch service intervals, letting grit grind away at your engine. Today we're going to reset that budget and keep your Toyota bulletproof. Let's get started. The 10,000-mile oil change? It's a myth for most drivers. Unless you drive only highway miles in perfect weather, your engine faces severe service. Short trips, traffic heat, cold. Moisture and fuel contaminate your oil. It turns into sludge that clogs passages. That sludge destroys expensive parts. I've seen engines ruined. Owners followed the 10,000-mile dream. Their reality was often 5,000 miles. The fix? Change your oil every 5,000 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first. No excuses. Use high-quality, full synthetic oil. Use a top-tier filter. OEM Toyota. Denso, another trusted brand. Cheap filters can collapse and starve the engine at startup. For the price of a nice dinner, you'll save thousands in repairs. Don't gamble with your engine's lifeblood. Make oil changes your cheapest insurance. Lifetime transmission fluid? There's no such thing. Transmission fluid breaks down from heat and wear, contaminating itself. Sticky solenoids, harsh shifts, eventual failure. Ignore it, and you're looking at a $5,000 rebuild on an otherwise perfect Toyota. The real schedule. Drain and refill every 60,000 to 90,000 miles. No high-pressure flushes, just a simple drain and fill. Always use Toyota WS fluid or an exact equivalent. Don't let a quick lube shop use generic fluid. This $200 service is the best way to make your transmission last as long as your engine. Forget lifetime. Protect your transmission for the life of your car. It's that simple. Your Toyota's cooling system depends on the right coolant. Toyota Super Long Life Coolant, SLLC, the pink stuff. Mixing coolants or using tap water creates sludge that clogs radiators, that clogs heater cores, leading to overheating and expensive repairs. Only use the correct pink SLLC or an exact equivalent mixed with distilled water, if not pre-mixed. First change at 100,000 miles, then every 50,000 after. Top off only with the right coolant. Never play chemist. For $20 a gallon, you're protecting your engine from a slow, expensive death. Don't risk it with generic green coolant. Don't risk it with generic orange coolant. Stick to the formula Toyota engineered. Your engine will thank you. Brake fluid is the most ignored fluid in your Toyota, but it's critical for safety and longevity. It absorbs water over time, corroding brake lines, corroding calipers, and especially the expensive ABS module. Water lowers the boiling point, risking brake fade and failure in emergencies. Flush your brake fluid every 3 years. Time matters more than mileage. A simple, inexpensive service protects your brakes and wallet. Old fluid looks like coffee. New fluid is clear and honey-colored. Don't wait for a soft pedal or warning light. Keep your stopping power at 100%. Hybrid Toyotas are reliable, but not maintenance-free. Clean the hybrid battery cooling fan every 15,000, 30,000 miles, especially if you have pets or live in dusty areas. Overheating kills batteries fast and costs thousands. Change the inverter coolant every 100,000 miles. It's separate from engine coolant, and know the right way to jumpstart your hybrid. One mistake can fry electronics. 3 commandments: clean the fan, service inverter coolant, and jumpstart correctly. Follow these, and your hybrid will go the distance. Ignore them, and repairs get expensive. Fast. Jump-starting a modern Toyota the old way can destroy sensitive electronics. Never connect the final cable to the dead battery's negative terminal. Use a solid, unpainted metal part of the engine or chassis instead. This prevents sparks near explosive gas and protects your car's computers from voltage spikes. One wrong move can turn a dead battery into a dead ECU. Always follow the manual's jumpstart procedure. It's a 2-minute habit that can save you thousands. Don't risk a simple mistake. Cheap filters and spark plugs sabotage Toyota reliability. No-name air filters let dust in, acting like sandpaper on your engine. Cheap oil filters collapse or leak, starving your engine of oil at startup. Always use OEM or top-tier filters. Denso spark plugs, NGK spark plugs with the correct specs. Wrong plugs cause misfires, poor mileage engine damage. Saving $20 on parts can cost you $2,000 in repairs. Stick with what Toyota's engineers designed for your car. Quality parts are cheap insurance. Tire shops can ruin your Toyota with 2 mistakes: over-torquing lug nuts, skipping brake hardware, over-torqued lug nuts, stretch studs, warp rotors causing vibrations and costly repairs. Insist on a torque wrench proper tightening pattern. When doing brakes, demand new hardware lubricated slide pins. Neglecting these details leads to uneven wear rattles and early failure. A professional brake job lasts 100,000 miles. A sloppy one fails in 20,000. Details matter. Don't let shops cut corners. AWD Toyotas and 4WD Toyotas have extra gearboxes, transfer case differentials that need love. Their gear oil breaks down and gets contaminated, wearing out expensive bearings. Gears change these fluids every 30,000, 60,000 miles, especially if you tow or go off-road. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to Boracina.com/car helpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. Change these fluids every 30,000, 60,000 miles. Use only the correct gear oil. Check your manual. This simple service prevents multi-$1,000 repairs. Don't let out of sight, out of mind destroy your drivetrain. Preventative care keeps your AWD system bulletproof. AWD systems demand matched tires. Same brand, model, size, similar tread. Mismatched tires force the system to work overtime, wearing out clutches and gears. Rotate tires every 5,000 miles to keep wear even. If you need a new tire and the others are worn, replace all 4. or have the new one shaved to match. It's expensive up front, but way cheaper than a destroyed transfer case. Keep your tires matched and your AWD will last. Small oil leaks are warning signs. Don't ignore them. Hardened gaskets and seals can drip onto hot exhaust or alternators, causing fires or failures. Fix leaks early to spot bigger problems and keep your engine clean. Replace the PCV valve every 60,000, 100,000 miles. A clogged one blows out seals and causes massive leaks. It's a $10 part that prevents thousands in damage. Stay ahead of leaks and keep your engine bay pristine. Prevention is always cheaper. Don't use random chemicals on sensors. Mass airflow sensors are delicate. Use only cleaners made for them. Throttle bodies are delicate. Remove the throttle body to clean it gently with the right product. Harsh sprays destroy electronics and coatings, turning a cheap fix into a costly replacement. The right chemical saves you hundreds. The wrong one costs you more. Be smart. Read the label before you spray. If your Toyota has a timing belt, it's a ticking time bomb if ignored. Most interference engines will destroy themselves if the belt breaks. Bent valves, ruined pistons, total engine failure. Replace the timing belt water pump pulleys tensioner at the recommended interval. Usually 60,000, 100,000 miles. Don't just do the belt, do the whole kit. Skipping this is Russian roulette with your engine. A $500 service saves you a $5,000 rebuild. Don't risk it. Know your interval and stick to it. 13 mistakes, thousands in savings. Now you have the playbook. Your Toyota isn't invincible, but clean fluids, quality parts, smart habits, it'll outlast almost anything on the road. Be proactive. Change oil, flush brake fluid, respect your hybrid system, respect your AWD system. Montage, all the maintenance items we discussed. You're now in the top 1% of owners. Use this knowledge to save a fortune. Poll. Which interval will you adjust? Oil, transmission, brake fluid. Comment your model and miles for a custom plan. Like, subscribe, and watch next. The truth about 10,000-mile oil changes. Take care of your Toyota, and it'll take care of you. CarHelpo.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service. Running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.